Thursday, my friends. This is Lindsay bringing you another daily work from home job lead. Today's job lead is very exciting because it is from a huge, well-known tech company, Dropbox. So we will just go ahead and dive on in. Just know, if you're new here, the links to all of these are in the description box below. If you're interested in any of the job leads that I share, you can get your applications in. And just a little reminder, I do not work for any of these companies. I don't have any additional information. I simply share what I find online. Now, a lot of us will be familiar with Dropbox. It is a cloud storage system, kind of like iCloud is for Apple products. This, you can store your pictures, videos, documents, all kinds of things. They do offer people a free plan where you get so much storage. And then, of course, the same as with Apple iCloud, you can buy additional storage packages. But they are hiring a technical support specialist. Now, they are hiring not only in the United States, but also in Canada. You'll be responsible for responding to customer product inquiries as well as tech support issues, not only via phone, but also email and chat, as well as creating and delivering webinar content to their premium customers. They do ask that someone be available to work different shifts, including holidays, because they do operate on a 24/7 schedule. But they are looking for someone to deliver escalated technical support for Dropbox product-based issues, troubleshoot the customer issues, and provide customized recommendations and solutions, communicate any complex technical information in user-friendly ways. Understand that the customer does not always understand technical jargon. You'll need to be able to communicate customer-reported issues internally and escalate them up, and also be able to deliver trainings on the different products that Dropbox offers. Now, they do not require any kind of college degree for this position. They only require 2 years work experience in technical support or customer-facing role. You have strong communication skills with the ability to convey complex information, again, in a user-friendly way. You have knowledge and experience with different computer operating systems, so Windows and Apple or Mac. They want someone who has the ability to quickly develop an understanding of the customer's issues so that you can work with them. Someone who is a problem solver and analytical. Now, if that is you, this job pays very, very well. They have a low, medium, and high salary range for this position. It goes anywhere from $59,000 a year all the way up to $80,000 a year. And of course, they also offer a benefit package. It comes with the standard medical, dental, vision, 401k, paid time off, but they also include additional perks like free Dropbox space for not only you, but your friends and family as well. And it says you get a perks allowance to be used on whatever matters most to you, whether that's wellness, learning, food, groceries, so you get additional money to use however you would like. Alright, if you've made it to the end of this video, I want to say thank you so much for watching and supporting me, and I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you. 2 videos will be popping up on your screen. One I picked for you and the other YouTube picked for you that you might enjoy next. Please subscribe and hit the bell icon so you never miss another work from home or money making video from me. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.